What if you could turn a single photo into a stunning, cinematic viral clip in just seconds? Imagine uploading one image and watching AI transform it into a smooth, Hollywood-style motion video with captions, effects, and music, all automatically. Sounds unreal? Well, that is exactly what ClipsField AI does. In this video, I will show you what ClipsField AI is, who it is for, how it works, and why it is one of the most exciting AI tools for creators, marketers, and business owners right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am reviewing ClipsField AI, an AI-powered content creation studio that turns any photo into professional-grade viral video clips in seconds. We all know how much video dominates online marketing today. Whether it is Instagram Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts, short videos are what get the most reach and engagement. But the problem is, creating them is time-consuming and expensive. You either need to record high-quality footage, learn complex editing software, or pay professionals to do it for you. That means most people give up before even starting. And this is where ClipsField AI changes everything, because it makes professional-grade video creation as simple as uploading a photo. What is ClipsField AI? ClipsField AI is an AI-powered content creation platform that allows you to create cinematic viral videos from any photo or text in just a few clicks. You simply upload a picture, maybe a product image, a portrait, a quote background, or even a stock photo, and the AI automatically animates it with motion, camera movements, dynamic effects, and captions to create a visually stunning short clip. It is like having a Hollywood director built into an app, because it uses director mode and AI motion technology to make your still images come alive. And the best part? You can do all this without editing, without recording, and without any technical skills. Who is it for? ClipsField AI is designed for anyone who wants to create scroll-stopping videos fast. Content creators and influencers who want daily viral clips for Reels, Shorts, and TikTok. Marketers and business owners who want to promote products or services through engaging short videos. Affiliate marketers who want to turn product images into promotional clips. Agencies who want to deliver more content for clients without hiring editors. YouTubers who want to repurpose static thumbnails or images into animated promos. Basically, if you need attention-grabbing videos that look professional, but you do not have time to edit, this tool is for you. Key features. Now let us break down what makes ClipsField AI such a powerful all-in-one content creation studio. 1. AI-powered photo animation. This is the main feature that separates ClipsField AI from everything else. You upload a photo, and the AI adds realistic motion, zooms, pans, and cinematic camera angles, turning your still image into a dynamic short clip. The animations feel natural, not robotic, and give your content that movie trailer energy that grabs attention instantly. 2. Director mode. ClipsField AI's director mode gives you creative control. It lets you guide how the AI animates your image, whether you want slow cinematic movement, fast viral style pacing, or a storytelling effect. This helps you match the vibe of your content, whether it is motivational, emotional, luxury, or educational. 3. AI text to video. No photo? No problem. Just enter a line of text, and ClipsField AI will generate a complete short clip with visuals, motion, captions, and music that fits your message. You can use this to create motivational reels, product teasers, quotes, or storytelling videos, all from text only. 4. AI video repurposing. In addition to photos and text, you can also upload long-form videos. ClipsField AI will automatically find the best moments, trim them, and create short viral clips ready for social media. It detects emotional peaks and punchlines using AI, just like a professional video editor would. 5. AI hook and title generator. Coming up with catchy hooks or titles is tough, but this feature handles it. ClipsField AI automatically generates powerful headlines and captions that grab attention instantly and increase watch time. Perfect for anyone doing marketing, sales, or content creation. 6. Branding customization. Want to maintain your brand identity? You can easily add your logo, brand colors, and fonts to every clip, so your videos look consistent and professional across all platforms. 7. Auto captions and subtitles. ClipsField AI automatically adds subtitles and syncs them perfectly with your audio or narration. Since most people watch short videos on mute, This feature boosts engagement and makes your content accessible to everyone. 8. Multi-aspect exports. You can export your videos in all popular sizes: vertical for Reels and TikToks, square for Facebook and Instagram, and widescreen for YouTube or websites. It saves tons of time if you post across multiple platforms. 9. Commercial license included. Every plan of ClipsField AI comes with full commercial rights, so you can sell your videos to clients or use them for paid promotions. That means you can even start a video creation business using this one tool. How it works? Let me quickly walk you through how simple it is to use ClipsField AI. Upload or choose your media. You can upload a photo, enter text, or paste a video link. Select a style or template. Choose from cinematic, motivational, product promo, storytelling, or viral style presets. Let AI do the magic. ClipsField AI animates your image, adds captions, music, effects, and camera motion automatically. Customize your branding. Add your logo, adjust fonts, colors, and layout. Export and share. Download your video in the perfect format for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and more. If you want to see it in action, you can watch the demo on the official website. I have linked it below in the description. Pricing and value. ClipsField AI gives you premium features without monthly costs. You get AI photo to video, text to video, video repurposing, branding options, and full commercial rights, all in one place. Hiring editors or animators to do this manually would cost hundreds of dollars per project, but ClipsField AI automates it for a fraction of that. I personally recommend ClipsField AI because it solves a real problem: creating fast, high-quality videos that look cinematic without spending hours editing. Whether you want to grow your brand, promote offers, or even start a side hustle selling short videos, this tool gives you an instant professional edge. If you want to try ClipsField AI, click the official link below. You can explore the live demo and see how it turns any photo into stunning viral clips in seconds. When you grab it through my link, it supports this channel at no extra cost to you. That wraps up my quick review of ClipsField AI. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who loves creating content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.